Music. These niggas be claiming they real. Most of these niggas are not. See, I'm from the land.
Real Talk Boxing and KO Water Sports here with Joseph Benavidez Jr. How you feeling, man? Your brother's fighting tomorrow. Do you get nervous when your brother fights?
You know, I feel good, and yeah, I know it's kind of weird. I get nervous when he fights. I don't know why. It's probably because my little brother, but I know he knows what he has to do to win. He's had a great camp. He's strong. He's gonna end the guy early. The guy's talking a lot of smack, you know. But that's good. You know, that's good that we want the guy's confidence level to get a little bit up because he's gonna get torn down tomorrow.
You said he's his little brother. He's your little brother, but he's fighting, I believe, at like light heavyweight or something like that, right? So he's like a lot bigger than you, right?
He's at 170, 175. Yeah, I fight at 140. So he's my little big brother.
Right. Your last fight, fought in Texas, got the victory. Well, what's next for you? What's going to be your next opponent?
My last fight was actually in Tucson. Yeah, in Tucson. Right now we're just waiting. You know, we're waiting to see what they tell us. We're supposed to fight Crawford, but I mean Crawford doesn't seem to want to fight. You know, we're ready to fight whoever. 140, 147 pounds. We're ready for whoever. We're not ducking and dodging anyone. So whoever they put in front of me, I'll fight him.
What happened with the Crawford negotiations with that?
I don't know. He must be scared or something. He don't want to fight me. He says I'm a bum, you know. But the guy he's fighting now has 5 losses, and I'm undefeated. So, I mean, what could he say there, you know? So we're just waiting. We're waiting. We're ready to fight whoever. So.
And you're good at 140, 147?
140, 147. Like I said, we train to win, and we know what we have to do to win. So, like I said, I'm ready for whoever they put in front of me. I know my brother's ready for whoever they put in front of him. So, well, you know, we have a good team.
A big fight just got announced. Thurman versus Porter. 2 top guys in close to the division you'd be fighting. Well, what do you think about that fight? How do you think that fight goes?
It's going to be a good fight. You know, I worked with Sean Porter a while back at the Wild Card. He's a really good guy. You know, he's a nice guy. He's trains really hard. So I mean, it's going to be a good fight, a fight to watch. You know, and I don't know how the outcome's going to be. You know, they're both good fighters. So I mean, I know it's going to be a great fight. So.
You brought up the wild card. Obviously, Pacquiao's fighting Bradley 3. What do you think about that fight? You excited about that fight, or what do you think?
I think it's going to be a good fight. I see Pacquiao winning. You know, I think he's the faster guy. So I mean, like I said, it's going to be a good fight, like the other fights before. But I think I see Pacquiao on this one.
Wait, brother, really appreciate the time, and thanks a lot. And your fans can't wait to see you again, man. So
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Square business, real talk. I've only just begun. Talk to him, real talk.